whole bunch of stuff. I figured this month we're gonna just combine it all together and make one big good video for you guys. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag, and a couple items also sent through Ipsy from Item Beauty that I'm gonna actually do full-on reviews on my blog for. So I think we'll just open with that because I'm most excited about it. Not that I'm not excited about Ipsy. My cat is like floating around, so expect to see him. So inside it's make up your own mind, your own way, your own beauty. Come here, Henry. And so right here is the package. We have the Screen Break Blue Light Anti-Pollution Face Mist. So this is great if you're using like cell phones, computers, all that stuff. You spray this on and it kind of does not allow that to permeate the top layer of your skin, so to speak. Then we have the Shake It, Balance, and Tone Face Mist. I'm excited for this. Hey, buddy. So here's the bottle. How to: shake well before use, hold 6 inches away from face, close eyes, and spray evenly. Apply to clean, dry face. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like, is it like rose? What is that? I don't know, but I love it. So this is the blue light. Let's look at that bottle. Ooh, that's pretty. I wonder what this one smells. Oh, this smells what I call a little more minty, like a minty smell. But this one, I love, 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 love. I'll try this one out too. Not that I'm going to see any results right away, but you know what I'm saying. So that's that. Let's get into the Ipsy product stuff. All right, so let's find out the theme. Yikes. All right, this is part of the reason I do this. This is the Happy Vibes box, okay? So just so you guys know, we're pushing out good vibes. One of the reasons I like to do these together is because I never know what's what. So I think this is for this. We're gonna guess. This is, and all right, yeah. All right, so this is the bag for this month. They never really like label what's for the Glam Bag and what's for the Glam Bag Plus, so you kind of have to guess just by size and stuff like that. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag, it is $12 a month. It's a beauty subscription. It's probably one of the oldest beauty subscriptions. Every month, everything comes in a cute little bag like this. You can reuse it, take it on weekend trips, put little stuff in it, whatever. Use it for your face mask. I don't know. I love this though. This color here is going like, I don't know what I was gonna say. Super cute. It does have a yellow zipper pull. Inside, it's not really lined. It's kind of got like a canvas lining. I'm just gonna pull out the products like we didn't already see them in the box. First we have, this is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Used to help hydrate skin, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. So something I'm learning and something I'm trying to be better at is using products only when I need them. Something that I found is really helpful is I used to just load stuff on my face and then wonder why my skin was so like just constantly angry at me. And I just stopped. I held off and I put on stuff only when I needed. I started using the Ordinary's Azelaic Acid, which I feel like is really great. My skin has been so good lately. So good. Y'all notice I'm not wearing any makeup at all. If my skin feels dry, I exfoliate, I exfoliate, I moisturize. I put on eye cream at night and maybe a little moisturizer if I feel like I need it. I do lip treatments because my lips have been dry. That is it. I just don't. So like, I have a lot of skincare I don't need anymore. As long as my skin continues to stay good, I'm not needing, like, I just was like, wow, why didn't I better get this. I think there were times where it was bad, and so I'd load stuff on, and it would just create a cycle, like a loop. Anyway, what the long story short is, this product is actually really good though. This is a really, if you have really dry skin, I have dry skin, this is a nice one. All right, then we have from Grace and Stella, Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid. I can't use this. I can't use hyaluronic acid, but this brand, Grace and Stella, I've been seeing floating around a little bit. They're like kind of gaining some traction, so maybe a brand you want to watch out for, or maybe a brand I just didn't know about. Wouldn't surprise me. All right, then we have from Benefit, this is the Porefessional Light Primer. These are really nice. If you haven't tried this by now, it's just a very nice blurring primer. It does, you know, when you talk about the two different kinds of primers, one is like a dimethicone, it's really going to blur everything out, and then there's the primer that just, you know, makes your skin a little bit tacky. This is going to err on the side of like dimethicone. All right, then there is, this is the Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara from Ditto. This is a sample size. I'm not going to open this. I have about 1 billion mascaras open, so I'm not going to open that. All right. I'm going to assume this brush was also for this, because this is a brush from Hip Dot. It is like a gold and gunmetal gray ombre look. Well, like a rose gold actually, because the Ferrell's rose gold. This is great for concealer, or whatever, you know. It's soft. It's not like super nice, but it's a decent brush, you know. Oh, honestly, like I have so many brushes. At this point, my daughters are so into makeup that I'll pass it on to them, just to be honest. Just being honest. All right, so our bag for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is very similar to the Ipsy Glam Bag bag. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it's like a Ipsy Glam Bag on steroids, because you get 5 full-size items and you get to choose one of them. Boxes are $25. Totally worth it. One of my favorites. I love it. Can't say enough good things about it. So and everything comes in a drawstring bag like this, so that it fits in here, right? It doesn't always fit, but I forgive you, Ipsy. So anyway, let's get to the items. Now, I am going to tell you guys, I'm going to link down below to my blog where I will review each fit box. Well, bag box, whatever. You know what I mean. I'm not going to do them all together. They'll be separate. I just, for the ease of the video, trying to figure out what's what, and then I see everything. It takes the fun out, like for you guys, for me. And so I just put them all together. Like, let's just get together and do a full Ipsy unboxing time. I'm okay with that. All right. So first we have the Garlactic Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. I don't tend to use face scrubs, but I kind of want it. Cranberry entices me. I like cranberry. Ooh, so here's the package. I don't want to open it. But anyway, maybe I'll try it out. I'll let you guys know. Anyway, all right, so there's that. Then we have from Huxley, Secret of Sahara Mask, Oil, and Extract. Great things never come from comfort zones. Discover precious and strong vitality in these 3 mask sheets. So there's 2 skincare items so far. All right. So then we have, this is from Kimchi Chic. Never heard of this brand. This is Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. So matte finish. So this is a matte finish setting spray. I have a ton of setting sprays. I'm not going to open this yet because I kind of don't want it like to just take up space. I'll probably pack it away and find it 2 years from now. Kind of what I do. Anyway, I love getting setting sprays though, because they're super useful for tons of things. All right. Then we have from Cella, this is the Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. So this is blue black. Wait, am I right? I'm thinking it's 2. Am I wrong? No. It's just black. Oh yes, it's 2. One is blue and one is black. Ooh, that's actually really cool. My daughter just, we went out, they wanted to go to Ulta, my daughter. So we went to Ulta. She's like, I want a white liquid eyeliner. I was like, I don't think they make those, Penny. And she's like, yeah, I want one though. They had never been to Ulta, my daughters. I know, I'm a bad mom. And so they went, they were completely overwhelmed. And we actually found a white liquid eyeliner. And she does all these, like, I don't know. I don't even know what to call them. She's 14. It's what she likes to do. So maybe we'll do something with the blue liquid eyeliner. Wouldn't that be fun? All right, final item, guys. This is the Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss infused with olive and jojoba oil from, I guess that's the name of the, no. Dew Tube, I guess that's the name of the brand. Am I crazy? Yeah, I guess it is. And this is the color Champagne. So let's open it up. I'm supposed to open it up like that, but that's not working. So I'm just gonna tear it up. Ah! Ooh, it's very pretty. It's not sticky. It's like very silky. I like that. I love that it has like a gold shift to it. Like a light pink, but it has like a gold shift. The tube is circular. I like that too. Anyway, I'm gonna have to check out this brand now. So in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we get the Cella eyeliner, we get the Dew Tube, we get this matte setting spray, the masks, and the face scrub. And then in the Glam Bag, we get our brush, our First Day Beauty moisturizer, our hyaluronic acid, our mascara, and our Porefessional primer. So both awesome. One $12, one $25. As always, if you're interested in checking out Ipsy, you can do that below. And also if you want to check out my blog, I love that. Thank you guys so much. Don't scratch. For watching. I will see you guys next time.